1. Live in day-tight compartments. Instead of worrying about the past or future, focus on the present moment. Take life one day at a time and concentrate on the tasks and challenges you face today. 2. Accept the inevitable. Recognize that some things are beyond your control, and worrying won't change the outcome. Accept the things you cannot change and focus your energy on things you can influence. 3. Practice positive thinking. Cultivate a positive mindset and replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Look for the silver lining in challenging situations and reframe problems as opportunities for growth. 4. Take action. Instead of dwelling on worries, take proactive steps to address the source of your concerns. Break down problems into manageable tasks and tackle them one at a time. 5. Don't worry about the opinions of others. Refrain from letting the opinions and judgments of others dictate your actions and happiness. Focus on your own values and priorities and live authentically. 6. Engage in physical activity and relaxation techniques. Exercise regularly to release stress and tension. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to calm your mind and promote a sense of inner peace. 7. Set aside time for leisure and hobbies. Dedicate time to activities you enjoy and that help you relax. Engaging in hobbies and leisure activities can provide a healthy distraction from worries and promote a balanced lifestyle. 8. Build a support network. Seek support from friends, family, or a support group. Share your worries with trusted individuals who can offer perspective, advice, or simply lend a listening ear. 9. Practice gratitude. Focus on the things you are grateful for in your life. Expressing gratitude can shift your perspective and remind you of the positive aspects amidst worries and challenges. 10. Prioritize self-care. Take care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious food, engage in activities that bring you joy, and practice self-compassion. Remember, these tips and tricks are meant to help you develop a healthier relationship with worrying and cultivate a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Practice them consistently and adapt them to your personal circumstances and needs.